front of me is Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, select an app you want to use in this view and launch it in the background, like that. Now tap on the icon of it at the top and select Open in split screen view. Now tap on the second app you wanna use and enjoy using both at once. If you wanna go back from this view, you can hold those three dots and drag one not only to resize them, but also when you drag all the way up or all the way down, you will access one of your apps in full screen view. Then just close it. You can also swipe with split screen in the background like you would any other app. Quick tip: if you often use two apps in split screen view, to make it much faster in the future to access them like that, click on those three dots in the middle. By tapping on those two arrows, you can simply switch places of your apps. But by tapping on this star, you can click on home screen or apps edge panel. Pick one, go back, and look for this shortcut. When you find it, click on it to open both of your apps in split screen right away. If you ever want to delete this shortcut, just hold it and tap on remove. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!